Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a new drawing video. Today I will continue the series Improving Bad Dragon Ball Z Art. And this is a picture I've chosen, Future Trunks from Dragon Ball Z. But before we start, let's make some things clear. In the first series there were a lot of comments about me talking bad about the animators of Dragon Ball Super. I called them lazy and said that they are not putting much work into the art of Dragon Ball. I actually know that the animators don't have much time to draw. I know that they are under a lot of pressure and that they are rushed. And I know that the animators have to create a lot of drawings in a very short time. But, in my opinion, that should not be an excuse to create bad art for such a big show like Dragon Ball. I mean, they could hire more artists, more animators, or just start sooner. I don't know, but I think that's a very simple solution. I also know that the art has gotten better closer to the end of the show. Nevertheless, there are still many pictures of bad Dragon Ball artwork. I'm still a huge fan of Dragon Ball, guys, don't get me wrong. For me, Dragon Ball is the all-time best anime, which had a huge impact to all of the anime which came out later on. I just wish that Toei Animation would have put more money and work into the art and animation from the beginning. I think we all would have loved to see that. That's that, guys. Now we can start improving this scene of Future Trunks powering up. Let's go! So guys, we are done with improving the bad Dragonball Z artwork of Future Trunks. I think the drawing looks good, but there is one thing which bothers me extremely. It's the hair. First of all, I don't like the shape at all, but it's a natural hair of Trunks when he is powering up. But the color of the eyebrows and side hair don't match the main hair. I colored that part way too dark, which annoys me. Other than that, I'm happy with the face expression and with the coloring. In fact, everything else looks very good. I actually mixed touch markers with Ohuhu and Copic markers for the coloring. As you see, it works. When we compare both pictures, we can see a huge difference. But now to be honest guys, even if the animators are under pressure and don't have a lot of time, how can you forget to draw the hair completely? The hair on the side is completely missing. Anyways guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's just for fun purposes, so don't take everything too serious. Other than that, if you enjoyed the video, give this video a like and help me to reach 1000 likes with this video today. Also comment below what you think of the Dragon Ball animation and what you think of my drawing. Subscribe to my channel if you are new and hit the bell icon so you will get a notification each time I upload a new video. Don't miss anything guys. I will also upload this drawing as a real-time drawing video on my second channel, which is dedicated to only real-time drawing videos. So check that out as well. For commission, send me an email to arttolg@gmail.com or message me on Instagram. You can find all the links down below in the info box. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.